am here to check in. It is beautiful. I actually fell asleep on my little 30-minute ride. So that's why there's no footage of that. There's lots of stuff across the street, so I'm super excited. Once I check in, I'm gonna find something to eat because I am hungry. So let's go. I think the customer service here is just different. I think they just make sure that you have what you need, right? As long as you got what you need, which is fine, right? Because I'm not like, oh my god. But I do think coming from the United States where customer service is like top tier, right? Especially for luxury services, you're expecting good customer service. Customer service or not is really different. So, we are going to try to find our room. See, 14, 1 through 8, we're this way. Let me show her. So that says 104 to 108, and we are 108. So that means we are down at the end of the hall this way. So let's go this way. Six, 107, 108. This is not at the end of the hall. It's actually in the middle of the hallway, which is hella weird. But we're gonna try it out. Let's tap here. Oops, hold on. How do you cut the lights on in here? There we go. Super cute. I know the thing that made me want this hotel was all the lights. I am in love with the lights. Bathtub. I feel a bath in my future. Also, look at all the... I mean, it's cute, y'all. The room is huge. There's me. Room's pretty big. It's a little corner room. The room is cute. And if I was not on the beach, I would not care. But it's just crazy. This is my view on the beach. Little couch. Little seating area. Super cute. Patio's huge, for real. Alright, y'all, I just toured the room and it was so cute. So this actually is not on the water. I don't know where. I thought there was a swim-up room, but there's not even a beach on the first floor. So I must have got my rooms mixed up. But there is a room that has like this beautiful huge tub in the middle of the floor. So I was able to get some super dope footage of that. If you follow me on YouTube, you'll see all of my hotel reviews there. Alright, so right now I'm going to get something to eat. I am so carnivorous. There's stuff everywhere. So we are going to walk and see what we find. Let's go. Okay, so change of plans. I was just going to Elephant Sanctuary today, but I'm actually going to go tomorrow because I have to go back south. No, I have to go back north to head to the airport. So instead of me coming south today to go back north to go to the elephant thing, to go back south to come to my hotel, to go back north to go to the airport tomorrow, I'm just gonna go north to go to the sanctuary place. I'm gonna take my stuff with me. No big deal. I'm sure they'll keep it for me and they'll keep it nice and safe. And then I'll head to the airport straight from the elephant sanctuary. Oh! Thank you. Are you coming in? Is that your food? Is your food? Y'all, my favorite pastime is checking into the hotel and just walking. I'll walk this way, I'll walk that way. I'll just walk. Because I want to see what's around, okay? What I can tell you is close by. So we're walking. Of course, there's a million dispensaries, but I'm not going to go in all of them. Despite me wanting to. Where one dispensary is short, there's another one. Let's go over here. Soup. They're literally like 2 in a block. Like, I thought California was bad. This is worse for sure. And worse in a good way. Alright, you guys, I found the spot. It's called Vegas. Here's the menu. They got breakfast, which is really good because I didn't get to have breakfast today. And I'm actually really excited. I'm hungry. This is a little view from the restaurant. The restaurant's super cute. A lot of the stuff has like open street area. Probably so they don't have to spend money on AC. And so you could still be breezy, so I get it. I'm not gonna lie. That whole bottle of sake that I finished off is definitely sitting on my tummy. So I'm really hoping that this food don't burst me out. So I ordered this sometimes. I normally get beef packer prow. The reason I don't order it often is because it's spicy and because it has basil in it. I'm not a big basil fan. I normally just take the basil out, and they don't really like to make it without the basil. So, but it was bussin'. And they knew I messed up when I stumbled upon a market. Y'all know I love a good market. I was in here for like 2 hours. And I really was just supposed to walk down the street real quick to see what was going on. Okay.
The closing is now is the 11.
Okay. Oh, that's cute too. Yes. I'm gonna send her this video.
Yes, sister. Can I help you?
Just look. I swear the looks I get are priceless. Okay, I know it's dark, but it's like 8 o'clock and all of y'all are outside, so why can't I be outside too? They like, why this little black girl here? Where's she walking to? What's she doing? I want to see what y'all want to see. All right, and another one. This one's called gummies. I saw it from across the street, so I had to come. It's super cute in here. I don't know why that little girl out. Her ass playing pool and shit. Yeah, that happened right in front of me. It's literally bar city, y'all. It's just bars and bars and bars and bars and bars. So, I guess we're gonna start this way and work our way around. Oh, look at the moon. Oh, the moon is mooning. I don't think I want to drink, y'all. I just started feeling better. And I really don't have money for it. I bought a bunch of shopping just now. I think I spent like 2,000 baht. Which is crazy because I was just saying earlier how I did so good keeping all my money. Oh, it's gone now. It's gone. It's real gone. So yeah, let's see what the drinks is looking like. Where is she at? Hello. Here is the night market that I went to. Okay, so I'm supposed to be heading back to the hotel right now. But I do need to find food. I just wanted to show y'all something. So all of the massage girls have on like these like cutesy outfits. I don't know if they do that at night or if it's always like that. But yeah, let me show you. I don't know if you really saw it. I'm trying not to let people know I'm recording them, but I'm gonna do it again. Hold on. There's some more of them coming up. I know they don't be dressed like this during the day. Maybe they have the older ladies there during the day and the young girls at night. Okay, so I know y'all saw it that time. Also, look at this. What do you mean? No, I'm recording myself. I can do whatever the fuck I want. I feel like the lady boy did not want me recording him. The camera's literally facing me, so I don't even really understand how that works. This is my camera. You better leave me to go alone. And another one. This one is super cute too. I'm literally seeing more than I'm taking video of, y'all. But any of the ones that are super, I make sure I try to take video of them. If I go inside, I take video of it. If they have any type of seating area or anything, try to record that. I was under the impression they all did. They do not all have seating areas. They do not all let you smoke in them. Look what I randomly walked into. What in the fuck? How did I miss all of this? I was about to go back to the room. It's jumping out here. It's lit. Y'all notice in the back of my video, you can see all of the girls, like the girls. The night girls. Can I tell y'all how in heaven I am to know that there's so much halal food? Now, I'm not saying I eat halal, but considering everything they do to the meat in the United States, I feel like we all should be eating halal. So I love that. I love that. I love that. I love that. So that makes me happy.
Sorry.
The moon never gets old to me. It's beautiful. Cute little song. Had the hardest time getting my little picture. If I can get the video. Let's go this way. Honestly, what I need to do is go to the house, get cash, and then come back over here and get this vape.